Good morning to all of you. Today we will revise 110 GK questions. Let's start without wasting our time. The first question is, which of the following dynasties established the kingdom of Vijayanagara? The kingdom of Vijayanagara was established by Sangama dynasty. What is the unit of work done? The unit of work done is joule. Wearing away of landscape by different agents like water, wind and ice is called erosion. Which of the following festivals in Punjab is celebrated to commemorate the formation of the Khalsa Panth? And the festival is Baisakhi. The term backstick is used in which games or sports? It is used in hockey. Burning of coal is an example of which type of reaction? It is a combination reaction. Raja Ram Mohan Rai founded a reform association known as Brahma Sabha, which was later known as Brahma Samaj. Next question. Dash part of xylem tissue in plants stores food. It is an exception and the answer is xylem parenchyma. The foremost right among rights to freedom is right to life and personal liberty. Chemical formula of quicklime. It is CaO. Who among the following is known as Sharod Samrat in Indian classical music? Ustad Amjad Ali Khan is known as Sarod Samrat. Thorny bushes are found in Dash region. Thorny bushes are found in dry desert region. Which is highest quality coal? Anthracite is. The Tamil word Movinder mentioned in the Sangam poems means three chiefs. Next question. In which language did Jyotiba Phule write Gulamgiri in 1873? It was written in Marathi language. Common name of the compound CaOCl2 is bleaching powder. Abdul Karim Khan was the exponent of which school of Hindustani music? He was from Kirana Gharana or Kirana school. The Hindu College was established in 1791 at Banaras. The SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Fundamental duties were added in the Constitution of India under the leadership of which Prime Minister of India? She was Indira Gandhi. What are the three parts of bacterial flagellum? Three parts of a bacterial flagellum are filament, hook, and basal body. The Vice President of India is elected for a period of years. Vice President of India is elected for 5 years. Syamji Krishna Verma established India House at Das in 1905. India House was established in London. First edition of the Youth Olympic Games was held at Singapore. In what form is the energy derived from the food that we eat is stored in our body? It is stored in glycogen form. The first complete census taken in India is in the year 1881. All India Muslim League was established in 1906 at Dhaka. With which of the following states is the folk dance Tarangmel associated? Tarangmel is associated with state Goa. The Anantraj Sagar tank was built by the Das rulers. Anantraj Sagar tank was built by Vijayanagara. Who was the guru of Pandit Ravi Shankar? Pandit Ravi Shankar guru was Alauddin Khan. Distance covered by object is dash to time. It will be directly proportional to the time. Triambakeshwar is the source of which river? It is source to Godavari. Ran Utshav is celebrated in which state? It is celebrated in Gujarat. Where was the first Women's International Test Cricket match hosted in India in 1976? It was hosted in Bangalore. What kind of phyllotaxy was examined in the guava plant? The phyllotaxy is opposite. Agricultural shot is a term used in which sport? It is used in cricket. At which Olympics was Kho featured in an exhibition in the main stadium? It was in 1936. Which two organic chemists are known for observing the peroxide effect in adding reagents to unsaturated compounds in 1933? The answer is Maurice S. Kharach and Frank R. Mayo. When was Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana introduced to provide health insurance to people below the poverty line? It was introduced in 2008. MG Music Awards is presented annually by which of states? It is presented annually by Nagaland. The headquarters of the Second Grain Revolution Shell was in Patna. Which species is known as black-legged pearl oyster found in the Indo-Pacific within tropical coral reefs? This is Pinctada margaritifera. Pinctada margaritifera. In which musical note did Newland put the metals cobalt and nickel with halogens? It was in Do. Pandit Omkarnath Thakur was a student of Pandit Vishnu Digambar Puluskar. Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, which was founded by Pandit Binay Chandra Modgalya, is located at New Delhi. In the year 1925, who extracted lipids from an erythrocyte sample and found that lipid monolayers are good for measuring molecular surface area versus lateral pressure. They were Gotter and Grendel. Who has written the book Sangeet Bal Prakash? Vishnu Digambar Puluskar. Nirupama Sanjeev is a famous dance player of India. She is a tennis player. The Green Revolution technology resulted in an increase in production of cereal production from 72.4 million tons in 1965-66 to dash million tons in 1978-79. The amount was 131.9 million tons. Which types of gametes are found in Spirogyra? Types of gametes are isogamous and non-flagellated. Southern Christian Fair is held in which state? It is held in Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following categories does Gonelux belongs to? Dinoflagellates. Who published the logistic equation model of population growth in 1838? It was Pere Francois Borelst. Which table tennis world championship events was held in India? It was 19 World Champions 1952, 90th World Championships 1952. Money supply is a dash concept. It is a stock concept. In the context of cell division, which chromosomal behavior takes place at the leptoden stage? Chromosomes begin to condense. An organic reaction used to convert an aryl diazonium salt into an aryl halide using a copper halide catalyst is called Sandmeyer reaction. Which marine carotenoid is abundant in brown seaweed, microalgae and diatoms? It is fucoxanthin. When the analysis of population density is done by calculating it through net cultivated area, then the measure is termed as physiological density. Where is the Gulf of Mannar located? Between the southeastern tip of India and the western coast of Sri Lanka. Which law states that endothermic animals from cold climates have smaller extremities or appendages than closely related species from warm climates? It is Allen's rule. According to the inscriptions, Pushyamitra Shunga was a devotee of which god? He was a devotee of Krishna. Which Indian singer wrote Rag Sarita? Chintaman Raghunath Bas wrote it. At what latitude does the easterly jet stream blow over peninsular India during summer months? It is 14 degree north. Mohan Veena player Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt won the Das Award in the year 1994. It was a Grammy. In which month is the Intertropical Convergence Zone, that is ITCZ, located around 20 degree north to 25 degree north latitude over the Gangetic Plain? In July. Which scheme enables students' mobility across higher education institutions? It is Academic Bank of Credits. Which Sikh reform movement was started in 1873 in Amritsar? It was Singh Sabha movement. Which essential amino acid enhances calcium absorption and also plays an important role in the formation of collagen? It is lysine. Which is the transboundary river between India and Pakistan? Ravi. It is the transboundary river. When and where did India win its first World Championships medal in athletics? In 2003, France. When was the first Asian Kabaddi Championship held? It was held in 1980. Sangeet Kala Acharya Award is given by which organization every year since 1993? It is given by Madras Music Academy. Who asked James Renell to prepare the map of Hindustan? Robert Clive asked. According to the Census of India 2011, the percentage of adolescent population 10 to 19 years from the total population is how much? It is 20.9%. The Das were tributary chiefs of the Gupta dynasty. They established an independent kingdom in western India. Dhruvasena too was the most important ruler of this kingdom, and they were Maitrakas. Vallavi, a city of ancient India, was the capital of the Das dynasty from 5th to 8th century CE. It was the capital of Maitrakas. What is the IPAC name of tertiary butyl alcohol? It is 2-methyl-propan 2-OL. The first Indian Olympic Games was hosted by which of the following cities? It was hosted by Lahore. How many athletes were selected to represent in India at the 1924 Paris Summer Olympics? 8 athletes were selected. As for the census of India 2011, the increase in literacy rates for males and females respectively as compared to 2001 census was 6.88% and 11.79%. In which year was the National Institute of Kathak Dance established? It was established in 1964. The decomposition of gaseous ammonia on a hot platinum surface is a dash order reaction at high pressure. It is a zero order reaction. In which year was the MPLADS scheme implemented? It was implemented in 1993. When was a madrasa opened in Kolkata to promote the study of Arabic, Persian, and Islamic law? 1781 CE. According to the Census of India 2011, other religions and persuasions comprise how much of the population? It comprised 7.99 million. Elela Karadi, dance of Kerala, is performed by which of the following tribes? It is performed by Irila tribe. Which of the following social reformers of 19th century India was the author of Stri Purush Tulana? The answer is Tarabai Shinde. Raja Valindra Singh Trophy is associated with which national sports event? It is associated with national games. In which of the following years was B.D. Savarkar sent to Andaman jail by the British? He was sent in 1911 to Andaman jail. Which committee recommended constitutional recognition for the local government bodies in 1989? The answer is P.K. Thungan Committee. In the year 1952, who among the following lent his voice for the film Amar Bhopali, which was being produced in two languages simultaneously, and he sang in both Bengali and Marathi? And the answer is Manna De. Kejari Mahotsav is primarily celebrated in which of the following districts of Uttar Pradesh? It is celebrated in Mirzapur. According to Census of India 2011, female adolescents in the age group 10 to 19 years had a share of 47.3%. By which national waterways of India are the delta channels of Mahanadi and Brahmani rivers and East Coast Canal connected? It is National Waterways 5. Who among the following, while praising the amending feature of the Indian Constitution, said that this variety in the amending process is wise but is rarely found? The answer is Casey Ware. Who among the following generally used to head the provincial administration under the Mauryas? He was Kumara. In which of the following years was the Right of Persons with Disabilities Act passed? In 2016. Which two planets do not have satellites? Mercury and Venus. The hottest planet is Venus. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? It is Venus. Which type of economy India has? It is a mixed type economy. The 12th 5-year plan lasts for 2012 to 2017. What is meant by the plan holiday period 1966 to 1969 in India's planning history? It means a period of 3 annual plans instead of a 5-year plan. Earth's core is mainly made up of nickel and iron. The original document of the constitution was handwritten by Prem Bihari Naran Rajada. India's highest dam, Tehri Dam, is located on which river? It is located on Bhagirathi. The system where trade can be carried out through the exchange of goods and services is called the barter system. It was the last question. If you like the class, then like and don't forget to subscribe if you want to attend daily classes. Thank you.